In order to add a new contact on iPhone 17e, what you can do is you can open the phone app, and if you go to contacts at the bottom, you should be able to find this plus button in the upper right corner. Now over here we can of course fill everything in. We can set up the name for the contact, we can choose the photo if you want to, you can add the phone number in here. You can also switch from mobile to any other label. This is just a label, it doesn't really matter that much. And of course everything in here is quite optional, but once you set everything up, let's say I'm gonna just write a random number in here and a random name, then we should be able to use this check in the upper right corner. And there we go, the contact has been added quite easily. On the other hand, if you had a call with someone, either you called them or they called you, you should be able to of course find that number in calls, and if you tap on that contact, then you should be able to find the create new contact option. So you can tap over here, fill everything in, and then use this check in the upper right corner in order to save it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.